Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I've cracked out these. These are the holographic coaster molds. You're not going to be able to see the holographic. Wow. Okay, there we go. Now you can kind of see it. All four are holographic, I promise. Just, there we go. We can kind of see it there. I wanted to try something different. Last time I just straight black in there. This time I want to dust them with the Intense Chameleon powders. I want to see how the holographic looks against Chameleon powders. Words are hard. It's been a long day. So I'm just going to pull out 4 of these. I want them to be kind of a cohesive set. So that's why I'm going with 4 colors from the same set. Let's see, what's this one? The green. So we got fairy green, dark green, deep blue, and dark magenta. I think that's what we'll go with for these. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to dust each of these into each one of these. We're going to pour black behind it and see how they come out. It's I assume that they're gonna look great, so I'm not expecting anything different. I just really wanted to try these again and see how they do. So yeah, go ahead and start brushing, and I've already got my resin warming up. My battery is about to die, so I'll probably only film like a little bit of the brushing, but you guys know how to brush powder on. I'm going to let my my camera battery stay as it is, hopefully in time for me to mix everything up, and then I can charge it after that. So, alright, let's do this. It's bonus unmolding time. Yeah. Bonus unmolding. These, I don't remember when these were from. They've been sitting on my desk for forever. Probably not going to demold all of these on camera, 'cause I'm trying to keep these bonus unmolding short. Cute, 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 cute. So yeah, I've got little potion bottles. Very cute. And then I've got some seashells. These will make great magnets, by the way. But yeah, that is today's very blue bonus unmolding. Alright friends, these are cured. They're not 100% filled. I mixed up 400 milliliters thinking it was going to be enough. It clearly wasn't. I'm thinking these probably take about 450, but they are very thick, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. But I'm excited to see how they look. Let's go ahead and start demolding. Oh yeah, that's really cool. Yep. Wow. Okay. These look exactly the same to me, and I'm pretty sure that I used different colors for both of these. At least I'm hoping I did. I don't know. Maybe I didn't. Okay. Very cool. Just look at that holographic. Holy cannoli. This, you know, again, it's so funny that the camera picks up a different color than the human eye. This is green to me. To my blue eyes, it's green. But on the screen, it looks very gold. If I tilt it this way, it's even more gold. I'm just not seeing the green on screen. That's funny. Alright, last one. Let's go. And again, in real life, this is purple. On the screen, it's like greenish blue. Wow, look. Ooh, so pretty. Let's see, are these different on screen? Nope. That's really weird. I don't know why these turned out the same. I mean, it's always possible, right, that I made a mistake and those were the exact same pot. But, I don't know, it's just really weird that they're kind of the same color. But anyway, this was fun to try. I'm very happy to know that Chameleon powder does still pick up the holographic. Of course, it's because of the mold, not because of the powder at all. But anyway, these are beautiful. I love them a lot. Yeah, that's today's video. If you enjoyed it, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.